Today's topic: Custom Excel export in Mendix. What is custom export? Custom export meaning we are not going to export all the data. We are going to export data as per our usage. We will filter some data from the whole data and export in the Excel. Let's see how to achieve this in Mendix. It is a continuation video. If you have not seen the video, I will leave the video link in description. Open your Mendix project. Go to the domain model. Drag and drop the entity. And rename the entity. Click OK to save the changes. Drag from one entity to other to create many to one association, so that we can filter the data and associate the data in this association. We can make use of the previous microflow we have created. Duplicate the microflow, or copy and paste. Create a new microflow to filter the data to export. Go to the microflow we have duplicated. Search for microflow call activity in the toolbox. And drag and drop in the microflow. Double-click the microflow and select the new microflow we have created. Go to the created submicroflow. Drag and drop the Create Object activity. And select the Custom Export entity. Click OK. Drag and drop the Retrieve activity from Toolbox. Select from Database. And select Excel Export Entity. And in the XPath constraint, filter the data you want to export. In this project we are filtering only to export the data with the name Luca. In XPath inside square bracket, type name equals Luca, inside single quotes. And click OK to save changes. Drag and drop the loop activity inside the microflow. Double-click the activity, select loop type as for each object. And in Iterate, over-select the list you have retrieved from database. Inside the loop, drag and drop the change activity. Double-click the change activity, in Object select Iterate Excel Export. And click New, select the association we have created. Click on the Value tab, and press Ctrl+space. And pass the object of Custom Export. We have to pass an wrong object. We have to pass an object type of Custom Export. Let's change the object. Select the object type of Custom Export, and the error will be gone. Click OK to save the changes. At the end of the microflow, we need to commit the changes. Drag and drop the commit activity and pass the Excel export list to be committed. We need to create a new template. Let's run the project and create a new template. Click View App. Log in with admin credentials. Go to Export Overview page. Create a new template by clicking New button. Enter the file name and click Save and Next. Click New in Worksheet. The entity we created is not displaying. We need to refresh MX Model Reflection. Go to MX Model Reflection Overview and click Refresh. And you can see the entity is displaying. Now go to Excel Export Overview page. Open the template we have created. Click Input Object and select Custom Export. Select the date format. Click New in Worksheet. Enter the sheet name. It is a continuation video. If you have not seen the video, I will leave the video link in description. Click New in column. Enter column number as 0. Enter column name as name. And select the attribute. Select Default in Text Style and in Header Style. Save the template. Go to the Mendix modeler. Go to the Excel export page. Add a new button and call the microflow to export Excel. Double-click the button. In on-click select Call Microflow and select the Generate Report to microflow. Rename the button. Click OK to save the changes. We need template name to retrieve the particular template. Go to the browser. Copy the template name in Excel Export Overview page. Go to the microflow where we retrieve the template. Double-click the activity where we retrieve the template, and paste the name in XPath constraint. Click OK to save changes, and run the project. Go to the browser. Select Data Overview page. And click Custom Excel Export. Error occurs. Let's see what is causing the error. Go to the modeler. Click Console tab, and select the latest error message. The error message says we pass different input object. We have to pass the same input object while we configured in the template. Double-click Generate Excel Java action. We can't able to pass the custom report object as input. Let's return the custom export object in the sub-microflow. Right-click the activity and select Set New Custom Export as return value. Another error occurs. Double-click the sub-microflow activity and click OK. This will update the parameter and rectify the error. Now double-click the Generate Excel Java action. Pass the custom object as output parameters. Still we could not find the custom export object. Let's see what we have missed. Go to Domain Model. We have to make the custom export entity as specialization of file document. In Generalization, select File Document under System. Click OK to save the changes. Now double-click the Generate Excel Java action. Pass custom export object as output document. And pass the same object as input object. Now run the project. Go to the browser and click Custom Excel Export. Error occurs. Let's see what is the issue. Double-click the latest error message in console. We forgot to give access for the created entity. Let's give access for the entity. Go to Domain Model. Double-click the custom export entity. Select Access Rules tab, click New, and give the required access. Click OK to save the changes. Run the project. Go to the browser. Log in with admin credentials. Select Data Overview page. And click on Custom Excel Export button. Save the Excel and open. You can see only the name Luca is exported to the Excel. But in Mendix we have two data Thomas and Luca. This is because we have filtered the name attribute equals the name Luca. See you in the next video. Thank you. for watching. Please like and subscribe.